What's going on, everybody? My name is KEEB, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made $954 today trading NASDAQ. So, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Yeah. So, alrighty, guys. So, if we can see, we are at 925. Okay. So, if we can see, alrighty. So, previous day lows are down here. We have this daily gap that we are still holding, okay? What is this SMT to nothing? Okay, this SMT means that ES has not tapped into this daily gap, and that NASDAQ has tapped into this daily gap, and you can see that we're moving higher. Okay, alright, okay, alright. And then also, okay, we have this 2 hour and 15-minute gap here. What I really wanted to see was longs to these data highs. Now, there was also a SMT at previous day highs, which means that ES took these out first and NASDAQ has yet to take them out. With the 4 hour gap here, I know it's very potentially that we may want to take out the SMT. Now, this is really 50-50. We may want to take out the SMT, or we may want to fuck around, okay? So knowing that, I'm just going to want to target that low-hanging fruit, okay? London lows down here, previous day lows down here. We are in a higher time frame buy model, okay? And on the daily, we're in a buy model. On the hourly, we're inside of a buy model. We have a buy model inside of a buy model, inside of an AMD, inside of an AMD. So this is a trade that I hope everybody fucking took today if you trade, okay? This trade was beautiful. This is my A+ fucking setup, and I will refer back to this video, and you guys can refer back to this video if you do trade this same model, which is literally high time frame PD array, more continuation based to be on the winning side of the market, higher time frame PD array. You want to see that stop hunt, strong draw and liquidity, nice displacement, strong fast displacement, inversing for value gap on the highest time frame, whatever that is. And really just a strong draw on liquidity. And then what really helps with that as well is a nice liquidity sweep. So we can see here, we have Asian here, okay, and London, where is it? London, I believe it's like here somewhere. So right before London session up, we can just pull it up. Okay, yeah, so we have Asian session right here. Overnight comes down, sweeps that. We have our manipulation here to distribute lower. Okay, now we have a 2 hour leg here in between London lows and data highs, which is a 2 hour leg that EQ is consequently inside of this 2 hour 15-minute gap that we are holding graciously. Okay, so now that we're inside of these two gaps, what is happening most recently? How do you determine a bias if we're in two gaps like this? What are we doing most recently, okay? We have hourly gaps up here that we fuck off through, okay? We run through. We don't give a fuck about them because we just fuck straight through them, okay? Like a F1 car, straight through them, okay? Back into it, alrighty? So what do I want to see? I want to see, now that we're holding this gap, okay, 2 hour 15-minute, I want to see this get held, okay? Maybe an SMT somewhere here, maybe taking out these lows. Maybe taking out these lows but still holding the gaps would be, that was the only thing that could have made this better, and it was still A+ as fuck to me, okay? So, let's see, okay? Let's see. Shebang, okay? So, bam. Another candle wick. We make nice high resistance, or what am I saying, bro? Low resistance liquidity, okay? And then this is not 930 candle, okay? So, if you're the dumbass that entered on this fucking 1 minute inverse, you would have got fuckered in the ass. You would have got puckered. It would have got puckered up and slobbered on, So you gotta wait, man. 9:45 PMI, okay, which didn't do shit, but it could have. So I'm always gonna wait for that, okay. So that's why I made money, and you didn't. I'm just kidding, bro. That's a joke. I thought of that, and it really wasn't that funny after I said it now. So. Alright. Oh, let's not do that. Bam. Nice. Just creating more low resistance liquidity on the lower time frames for us to so we can also always honestly just skip to 945. Bam. Okay. 945 candle, because this is where I was getting ready to take the trade. I believe that I entered on this, okay, which is nice because now it's just laid out for us, alrighty? Okay? So, now with this stop point, okay, this is very high resistance liquidity inside of the 2 hour and 15-minute. Look how we're holding this. We're holding this beautifully. On the higher time frames, we haven't closed through this. On the lower time frame, obviously we haven't closed through it on the higher time frames because the lower time frames haven't we're pissing around in it. You know what I mean? So, Bam. Okay, high time frame PDA with the 15-minute PDA. Fucking beautiful. Beautiful, bro. The 2 hour, the 15 minutes like right here. Okay, so then we have this low resistance. We have PA. Price action generates liquidity. Okay, and you think, oh, this is the stop hunt. But I want to see another stop hunt. Okay, why? Because now we kind of have low resistance here. Okay, bam. We come down. Sweep that. Tapping into the 2 hour and the 15. Okay, fucking beautiful. So now you're probably thinking, well, if you're targeting data highs, this is a shit ass stop. This is a dookie stop, okay? This is a butt ass stop, all right? So where did I actually put my stop, okay? To actually get the 1-to-1 RR that we all know and love, okay? So what I did is went down to the 1 minute, okay? And now and then another thing, the reason that you can do something like this is because with this strong, look at how strong the displacement is on this candle. We basically treated this gap like Bonnie Blue and just, you know, did our fucking thing with it, okay? Did our absolute thing with it. Like it doesn't, like it's not even there. Two of them at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So back into it, alrighty? I'm not retarded, I promise. 2 hour, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter right here, alrighty? Bam, go ahead and give me a little market order. Throw one Connie on that boy right there. Stop loss at below the 2 minute gap, okay? And this is just extra confirmation because now we probably open up this 2 minute gap. So if we want to, we could come down and fill this gap. But if this gap gets invalidated, the trade idea was wrong anyways. So with the strong displacing candle, you know, that's perfectly fine. And it's like, I'm not targeting previous day highs because there's an SMT there. But data highs, juicy. And we could want to come and take out the SMT, okay? Normally we do want to take out the SMT. So now this is just a price magnet, but we're also sitting inside the 4 hour, okay? So it's very likely that, but the 4 hour has already been mitigated. We are holding it, but it's already been mitigated. So at this point, I think that we could run through it, but we're holding it. So obviously we don't want to, okay? So bam, this is my entry right here. Stop loss at the bottom. Fuck me long style. At the bottom of this new gap, the displacing candle forming the bullish gap, okay? So now let's see what happens here, okay? DP at the data highs. So, KEEB, what's your break-even point? There's no fucking break-even point because what are we gonna reverse for? Here, now when we're looking like this, after everything that we just seen, I'm seeing my A+ setup. What are we going to reverse for, especially after the stop hunt displacing candle 2 hour 15 minute held? The current objective is obviously this data high and bullish, okay? So let's go ahead and see what happens here. And if you really wanted to, I guess this 15 minute 930 swing, okay? You could have had the 15 minute 930 swing, but look how close we are. If we take out this, we're gonna want to take out this. There's no gap, there's this, a 2 fucking minute gap, okay? There's no 5 minute gaps, there's no fucking nothing, okay? So we're not looking at that, alrighty? Let's go. One fucking candle, huh? One fucking candle. What are we doing, huh? One fucking candle. And this is why I entered this, okay? The speed. Look at the speed on the displacement. Look on the speed. Look at the speed on the TP. Look at the speed on the TP. Look at that. One fucking 2 minute candle. A 2 minute trade. 2 minutes, okay? And technically 4 minutes. I made $950 in 4 minutes today day trading. Yikeroonies, okay? But that's all for today. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, simple, and amazing, okay? If you can see. Here, if we can go to the higher time frames now. Okay? So what I was talking about earlier on the higher time frames, we have this. You can see here, swing low to swing high. We come back, and now it looks like 10 a.m. candle just rips down. So beautiful, okay? But so this hasn't formed yet, so really this can't be the swing high. But we're holding. God, I sucked too much dick last night. Swing low to swing high. You can see, okay, we come down and we holding this 2 hour, which is also the EQ of the move, okay? Yes, and we have this 2 hour gap shooting through, okay? Run through, okay? 1 hour gap, run through. 1 hour gap, run through. Okay? 15 minute. You can see 15 minute right here. It is slightly small, but look how we're holding that 15 minute. Inside of the 2 hour being held. Very, 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 very nice. A very clean stop hunt. The cleanest turtle soup I've seen all fucking December. Look at that. We build up this low resistance and we come and we fuck it. Okay? Nice. I love to see it. Okay? Beautiful. So legitimately, my entry here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fucking minutes. Okay, but I am going to go ahead and get off here. I love you guys. $954 on the day. The next video I make, I will be passing my funded ladies and gents. So yeah, next trade I will be passing my funded. If you can see here, let me moving this out the way. Okay, let's not do that. So if you can see here, bam, right above there. I need about $203 to pass. So next A+ trade that I see, once we get break even, low key, fellas, I may just move my stop to that point. But yeah, I love you guys. I'm off here for the day. Pretty early day for me, done before 10 o'clock. So done trading before 10 o'clock. I made my piece of the pie and I'm out of here. And I showed you guys this too, just in case you guys think I'm capping or whatever. Here, let me show you this too, because I know I got the pocket watchers. 954 in my total P&L on my Tradeovate account. Okay, shaboing. This ain't paper trading. This ain't whatever. You know, this is just real life. Okay. So yeah, I'm off here. Love you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Go enjoy your day. Go get you a Starbucks coffee, or you know, whatever you want to. Some yogurt, whatever. You know, it's on you. You guys have a great rest of your day. I love you. Mwah. This video will be up soon.